Hello guys, this is Tutorial Stream, and in this video you will learn how you can password protect the photo album on Ente.com. So let us begin. Head over to your album on Ente.com. Next, click into this share button in the top right and choose public link here, manage a link. So guys, what you want to do is you can allow downloads, for example, for the given album. If you share the invitational link, you can also set an expiration date. And then there's also the option to password lock the album. So users who are given access to the album through the public link or through the private link you share will be required to enter a password to gain access to these photos, to edit them, to view them, and so on and so forth, depending on the accessibility permission you grant. So click into or enable it here, enter the password here. You can also view it here so that you may memorize it or note it, write it down on a sheet of paper. And that's it. Clicking to lock here to confirm the password. Now, I'm not going to do this. I don't want to password lock it, but you can save your password locking here by clicking into this button to activate the password protection for your album, guys. Of course, you will need to select the album here from that list inside your storage on Ente.com. That's how it works. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.